Well, Khyra, we ready to risk it here?
Totally up to you.
It's just a matter, I mean, I might come back easily because with them, but yet then my other fear is that we'll be, there was one time we went to the other dog park and we stayed all but an hour longer to someone I could finally say to them, please remember. She just didn't want to leave. But then the other time she was ready to go. Because I think it was so, her first time she went, I think it was so overwhelming for her. But she seems content. We'll go with this for now. Come on. This way, Khyra. I don't want to get a head bomb. There's that.
Yeah, it gets a little muddy as well.
Oh yes, this is like being out on our own little Iditarod. I mean.
Really flat rubber.
I understand. Yeah, I can see I would have something like that for here. I don't think this would be Birkenstock or flip-flops.
I've made that mistake. Uh-oh, look what Bryce!
Khyra!
Brycey! Come here!
We are about to meet our first Minnesota Husky. Well, hello.
Hi! They're Belgian Tervuren.
Hello there. Nice to see you.
And Minnesota Dog Park working with us.
Yeah, we're from Pennsylvania.
Oh. Well, welcome to the winter.
We live for it.
Oh, yes. They love it.
What's yours name?
That's Maya.
Hi, Maya. This is Khyra. Hi, Maya. You're a pretty girl. Yes, the official greeting.
So it's a really bad standard that their husky is off leash.
Yeah. Well, I could let this one off leash, but it's just that it may take us 3 days to catch her.
I can't let her out leash at home, but here's the home.
A little shy, huh?
She's very shy. My boy is.
Gregarious, I think they call that. Well, Khyra, you ready to give us a try?
Yeah, no. Come on,
Khyra,
nice to see you guys.
ready?
We have ours if you need to.
See, that's what happens when Khyra runs off.
First, keep up with her.
Yes.
Keep her outside.
And all you see is tail.